So we rode by the mountains. How y'all doing? Uncle Jesse here. Took a few pictures. Hope y'all enjoy the pictures. And then we went to the river. Check it out. See if I can fall down and bust my bahonkas. Come on, dear. Don't be shy. They're not gonna bite you. Hello. How are you? Hello. How's the water? How's the water? It's good? Many fish? Many fish? Only a little bit. Wow. It's beautiful. The water looks clear, quite clean. Wish I could touch it without getting wet. See how cold it is. What's the name of this river, baby? Do you know? What? Okay. It's coming off the mountains over there going to over here. You know what's beautiful about it? Not much trash. Those kids need to clean that a little bit up. But it ain't full of trash like everywhere else. Huh? What? What? We need a boat, dear. Well, I could flow down that on an inner tube. But I'd have to go down the road here and see where a pickup point was I could get out. Hi guys, Uncle Jesse here, looking at the river. He got something. Don't know what he got, but he got something. Any luck? Any luck fishing? I don't think he understands me. Probably can't hear me. Huh? That's some rushing water there, baby. It might wash my old ass downstream. You can see the bottom though. It's clean. About as clean as a river can be. Get something? No? Okay, well let's ride on down. Y'all ain't gonna believe this, but we out here on a lonely road way off the beaten path, and look what I found. If I can zoom in on it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? These limbs will stay out of the way. I have found Titty Peak Mountain. Look at there, boy, hail. Titty Peak Mountain. Wow. Check that out. Just saying. What it looks like to me. All right then, headed toward the house. All right guys, I got under the counters painted. And we got to get some wood and build it. We got to fix that sink. The P-trap's got a little water leak under there. It's already messing up the paint. We're gonna have to take care of all that. But got a paint in here, got the furniture moved out. Got to finish up the boudoir. Oh look, we got a hole in the roof. Bam! Fucking retards. Anyway, we're gonna finish out the ceiling in here. Try to finish out the ceilings. That ain't gonna take much. Gee, goddamn, that's what a roof looks like without a ceiling in it. Did you know that? Bam! Fucking retards. Anyway, he is making her some cucumbers and vinegar, spicy vinegar, right, baby? Yeah. So, we went to the river today and checked it out. And watch the rest of the video for a little funny treat I found. I found Titty Peak Mountain, y'all. Sure did. Yeah. Prettiest bride I ever seen. Alright, y'all. Good day.